Yo guys, how's it going? AKMoto here. Today we're going to be getting some work done on my Yamaha YZ125 suspension here. So here are the forks, and as you guys can see, it has leaking fork seals, so we're definitely going to have to take care of that. And as well, just needs a really good service and cleanup because these things have about 100 hours on them with zero service. And yeah, so these forks are way overdue for service. And same situation for the shock. Although it is not leaking at the seal, it is still way overdue for service. So here for the front forks, we have the Zeta Racing aluminum KYB free pistons, which will replace our stock ones, which are plastic and likely have cracked by now. As well as this Motion Pro micro fork bleeder, which will make bleeding the forks super easy to do. And along with that, here we have this Yamaha OEM front fork seal kit. And here for the rear shock, we have a stiffer shock spring. Stock is 4.7. We're going to be going up to a 4.8. So just a really small difference, but that's definitely going to help us out a little bit. As well as an All Balls Racing rear shock seal head. And here are the chemicals and oils I will be using. So here we have some Maxima waterproof grease, great stuff. Here we have some Maxima Racing shock fluid. Here we have a little bit of Maxima fork oil, and then some suspension clean to top it all off. Alright guys, and let's take a look at these tools. Here I have a Tusk fork seal driver, which I will be using to install the fork seals. Here we have a Tusk cartridge holding tool. Here we have a Tusk fork cap wrench. Here we have a Tusk shock seal bullet, which will be used for installing the rear seal, as well as a Motion Pro fork seal bullet to install the fork seals. I will be linking the tools, some of the parts, and the oils I will be using in the description below, so if you guys want to check out some of these parts, they will be in the description below. Alright guys, so here we have our piston band, and as you can see, it's in really good condition. If you can see that, not sure if you guys can, but it's in really good condition. A little bit of side and up and down movement is completely normal in these little piston bands, so yeah, this part is reusable. Here's the rebound adjuster, and other than a little bit of cleaning, overall it's in good condition. We're going to go ahead and take out that O-ring and grease it up and clean it up. Alright guys, so here on this band, there's quite a lot of wear to the outer coating, so this is definitely going to be in need of a replacement. And then here at the top, there's a lot of wear on the coating. The inside, the coating's in great condition though, but on this band it is the complete opposite. Here on the outside, the coating's in pretty good condition, but on the inside, the coating is in very bad condition. That is definitely going to need replacement. As stated earlier, our seals were leaky, so these are going to need replacement. and our dust cover we're also going to replace as well. Our outer wear ring on the fork tube is overall in good condition, small amount of wear but does not need to be replaced yet. And here this inner clip that holds in the oil seal is also in good condition, just needed to be cleaned. Alright guys, now that all of our parts are clean, we're going to get to installing this Setter Racing aluminum free piston. By hand. Boom, there we go. Click.